titles and credits. Still title text. Click on Title tab, hover over New Title, then click on Default Still. Give your title a name, and then click OK. Click on the Type Tool button on the left. Click and drag out a text box in the video preview box. Type your title. You can center the text by using the tools above the video. You can change font type, size, etc. here too. Below the video, the template text styles. These are already made styles for you to use on your text. Simply click on the thumbnails of the style you want to use, and it should make the changes to your text. On the right, the title properties. These are advanced settings for editing your text. When you are finished with the title, close this box using the little close sign, top right of the box. You should now notice the title you have just created is now in your library. Choose your title. Click and drag your title into the sequence timeline. If a title needs to be in front of a blank screen, simply put your title into the timeline at the beginning, then put your video/images after the title in the timeline, as seen below. If the title needs to be positioned on top of your video, you will need to put the video in video channel 1, then put the title above it, in video channel 2. A bit like layering in Photoshop. Like this. If you need to edit the text you have just made, double-click on the text thumbnail in the library, and the text editor should pop up again, ready for editing. You can use this title technique to create credits for the end of your video too.